Hello Aquarius, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Wish Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Hopefully that you all are doing well, guys. Okay, let's start with your reading. There's a lot that I have to say, but it's connected with certain kind of comments, but I won't be saying because I feel like my higher self in my guardian angels and my universe is protecting me, and my Shiv is protecting me. I need not to say at times, though I can say, and if possible they want me to say, but then again they stop me. Okay, they say that do what's right, keep doing what's right, stop where you need to, and I'm going to. So I was about to say, then I said, so no, I should not. I mean, that's okay, they'll be taken care of, like, you know, karma, right? So I need not to interfere in whatever is going. So possible if this is just not my energy, you're also stopping. You're also stopping somewhere not to return. Five of Pentacles energy. You're stopping where you're supposed to and not even saying, not even doing anything. Might be feeling confused, might be feeling juggled, might be feeling like, oh, how come some energies can be so, I have to say this word, how come some energies can make you feel, or they are so stupid that you know, they act foolish. Why? That kind of energy is also coming. Okay, that's it I want to say here, but we're going to start. So you're going to stop somewhere. I kind of get this vibe, like this card is giving me that flippy energy. I know that, okay, fine, there's a 50-50 situation of some sort in your life, but I feel like you're not on the go. Okay, you're going to be like here, like no, not now. However, I feel that I saw like you are taking this turn, the next turn, and there's this pillar here, but it's not right. I mean, not right. It just basically, it feels though it is like to the right, but it's actually written L on that pillar. So it feels though it's here. Okay, let's just say that the pillar is here, and the left pillar should be here according to however you choose, right? But I get this vibe of like though it's right on the right side, but the written letter was L. Now this may be for some cases the turn for the love in your life. There is some turning event in your love relationship or your any situation. Okay, there is, for many of you, maybe this is some initial of like the first letter, initial of name with the L. If this is something connected with something that is connected with love, or something has to do with L or left side. Okay, I also see someone who is walking the wrong side. Do not do that. Okay, take care of that. I'm also seeing here a lot of there's a crowd here. I see, like maybe I'm seeing the street. Okay, and I don't know exactly, I cannot tell which place here, of course, but there's a lot of crowd. There's a crowd on the road, and someone is taking the turn where there is no crowd, I feel. And if it is in symbolism form going, my eyes are closed, guys, if it's in symbolism form going, then maybe there's a crowd in front of you and you just don't want to be here. So there is possible it's coming like 50-50 situation, which may be trying to say that why you want to involve yourself in this. Someone over here is not ready, like, and if you're not ready, then you're not ready. You need to get ready first. Why you're forcing and pushing yourself, and that's why I feel like you might feel the right is to your right, but is actually left. I know this is very confusing, I know that, but maybe the left is the right. Okay, sometimes it is, like whatever is said. Okay, now this situation is saying that you need to just give a break to this. Five of Pentacles energy, and I feel many of you have reached like the 50-50 situation, and many of you won't even look to this. Okay, so let's keep that in rest zone. You're keeping the Five of Pentacles energy, whatever went, whatever gone, you're keeping it in the left zone, like you don't want to right now tackle it, and that's fine. I also see like kind of like possible this energy is trying to say your overall vibe, what I lost, what went. Okay, some of you, what I lost, Three of Pentacles. Some of you lost connections, those were actually wounded, and they were not in the situation to come forth or to have walk with you in the future, basically, to keep it simple. So this is about many connections, possible friendships, contacts, even business related, or maybe it is something, some disheartened things you've been hearing, possible in your work, okay? If not, this is about real-time connections, those are happening. And this is connected with something, Three of Swords, which is about disheartened situations, or disappointing phases, or maybe this is about breakup or sour moments, or maybe separations. Maybe this is something connected with the triangle situation in your life. And now I talk about this, maybe you are already in connection, maybe you are already with someone, maybe there's a flashback from past, or maybe many of you might be in your present scenario and you are disappointed with the fact of Five of Pentacles. Many of you are at cross of like 50-50. What should I do? Okay, I can make a move. I am here, and should I be there? Because there is Three of Swords energy. There is someone in the picture. Just give me a second. Maybe someone is telling you actually, and you are having certain conversation, that convey me when you reach. Convey me when you reach. Two of Cups energy. So you have this desire of reunion with someone. If this is particularly about you, yes, you want to reunite. You might be already with something that is unhealthy for you, or you're feeling that it is not comfortable. Many of you are not comfortable in something. I feel that energy. But you're trying to keep it at bay. Like there is a 50-50 situation. And to be honest, I mean, when I'm looking at this pillar, this is so confusing. You are just not at cross. You're so confused that if I go in front, there's chaos. If I go right or left, it doesn't matter. But then you're having some left turn. And maybe on left there is Two of Cups energy. Maybe the love of your life is waiting on the left. And for you, okay, fine. They're trying to say that for you it's the right side to turn left. So you don't want to do the right, okay, kind of energy. You want to take the left turn, and for you, this is the next turn, and for you, this is the right turn, okay? There may be Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean involved. Someone you miss very much. Or there's someone you connect so well, and you miss them. You're being into separation, possible, or breakup, okay? There's also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel maybe some of you are already in emotional connection here. Feel though. And you might be missing an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? Or maybe it's in their chart or your chart, however it goes, but there is something that is stressing the possible, even the person. There is this reflection of Two of Cups from your past. It's like the desire that is still connected with you, and if this is connected with you, however, these are general readings, guys, so may or may not resonate with everyone, or may go vice versa. You all know that. But this Two of Cups is some desire that is still left here. Like it's like in the frame, but the frame is kept behind the other frames. Like I'm hearing the song for you. I mean, this is just bringing this matter. It's like coming like, can I be here for a while? It's not a song though. It's your energy your energy telling me, can I be here for a while? Okay, this is your vibe. This is possible your desire, or someone's desire. This is maybe the meeting that happened, possible 5 years ago, possible, or more than that, a little more than that. This King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. How to say that? I mean, this card is so confusing. Sometimes it does want to come here, sometimes it does want to come here, okay? I feel like this is the connection from the person or with the person. Long time no see, long time no go back, but long time missing. Ace of Cups energy. You have Six of Cups energy. I feel there's a heavy energy of Two of Cups, of course, reunion, heavy desire of coming back together, and making that move. And if this is not your energy who is taking the turn, if this is this person's energy who is taking the turn, they're going to end up meeting with you on the next turn. Possible they're going to, I feel like the universe is going to play this role, like they're writing this, okay? And you're going to take certain route or turn, or they are going to take a route or turn, and then they might feel, oh my god, I took the wrong turn, but it's going to be actually right. So basically someone who is taking the right turn but it's left, written left. So how it goes for you, okay? How you're going to interpret this for you guys, because I may speak something and then you're going to be, oh my god, I literally took the right turn but it was left, or maybe on the pillar there was written something else and it was by mistake, was pasted there, but it's not the case. Some of you possible in this process of taking turns and all that stuff, now it's so messed up, it doesn't bother you anymore. It doesn't matter which turn you are taking. It just matters that you need to be just by yourself. You need to figure out the pathway actually, and it doesn't bother you whether it's L written or right, because you're going to ultimately make better decisions for yourself, okay? And that's what you people are doing, right? From like 5 of Pentacles energy, so wounded, and right from 3 of Swords energy, you become like so strong. Is the power of the Hulk that's being given to you, or the power of the Thor is being given to you, like you are ready to pick up that hammer kind of. I mean, I am capable of bearing that, and you have been doing this, like, yeah, okay? The kind of energy we're going to see in your present. I feel a really heavy energy of resurgence. I don't know for whom. First, you are here. This is also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel this is you. Queen of Swords, though male or female, doesn't matter. Many of you are having that reflection here from where you are coming. Now, however, second ghost becomes your past, and this your recent past or distant past may affect the here as well. Recording time 12:12. I feel that you people are connected. Now, don't want to give you that fantasy world, no. But something also happened that was devastating. Devastating in communication. Someone, it's like the wrongdoing, or the doing was wrong, or something was here. And I have this, literally, I really want to figure out from other deck that what is with that pillar and you taking the turn and all that stuff. Somehow someone is still here. Somehow someone is still here. Now, either in your like memories, or they're just there, you see them when they, like, it's all about the street, okay? We were talking about the street, right? So it's like, if it is in symbolism form kind of, and you are just having your time and you're just moving or making a move, and then suddenly there is a notification or there's a message, and it's like just at the next level, next turn kind of. Or if this is literally happening somewhere, then in the physical form there's a street and someone is there, and you just cross the street and you see them in front, and then you take the turn, whatever the turn it is, because you don't want to cross, eye to eye with that person, but somehow they do it, okay? It just blink and then you make a move, like it's just like for seconds kind of energy, okay? This 4 of Cups energy is your future, where there's going to be something that will be put out, kind of, how to say, offer, okay? It is here, but I don't know whether you're going to take it or not, or someone else will take it or not. The reason is that people are camouflaging here. If it is all about more energies kind of, then people are camouflaging, I see. And your energy is definitely like that. I mean, it's not that you want to ignore, but you're just not into this totally. It's like 50-50 situation. Hope I'm making sense. I hear dare to begin with. There's a Joker, and Joker is my dare card, and it's your energy. You're beginning something, or beginning to believe something, or you're daring to begin with something new in your life. So this may be a future call of some offering, because you also have that scenario of like, how long I'm going to like ignore something, I have to accept it, okay? So many of you are going to accept something, But I don't know why I feel like you wanted this though, but there is something daring happening in your life. Maybe choosing, maybe decision, maybe walking away, making connection. There's a cross connection kind of, and then you make the turn. This is the turn. Let's see. Decision. Two of Wands energy is coming here. You're about to make a big move here. Ace of Pentacles. I feel you're accepting something in the future. May it be Ace of Pentacles, like kind of opportunity, work related. Maybe this is shift in your life. Maybe actually planning preparation and moving ahead from whole of this, like drama. Maybe it is something you're taking the turn because you're new to the place. If this is happening for someone out there. I also see like you're going to be somewhere, or you're at the same place possible. It's just like you normally don't see each other, but you end up crossing, eye to eye, kind of like here. You're going to see them. You're going to feel them. There's going to be some notification or message or real time kind of like crossing each other's pathway. And this is about also like two roads, actually two roads. And making that move. Are you ready to make that move? Because there's going to be some offer. But also I feel that you are not totally ready. When I say you are not totally ready, means you are in the kind of like your own four walls, or it's like you are recuperating yourself, or it's about the pause moment before you make the move and before you take this decision, because you're taking the turn. But on the Four of Cups, it's Four of Swords energy, which to me is saying you're thinking before you make a move. Seven of Swords, believing that it is true, but right now you don't believe. So you're trying to believe that these walls are coming down, actually. Six of Pentacles, believing that it is true, whatever is coming your way. If it is about job opportunity or hire something, or this is something that equality in certain kind of offer relationship. Should I make a move? Is it equal? Because with the Two of Wands energy, it's also kind of giving me the vibe of pillars, like, and making the better move, and you're going to, okay? So possible it is like the right move, but it is the left move, and the left move is the right for you, okay? Because earlier you did a lot of right moves, kind of energy. There's this message page of Swords energy. Let me see. I heard there's a high from them. I don't know who. This may be someone new. This may be someone from past. There's a high. And you're just like so astonished with the fact that there is something cold in your eyes. What happened is the reason, actually. And this is also the energy of like, how dare you, kind of. But it's coming, kind of. There's gift. Someone is giving you the gift, and how dare you give me the gift, kind of. Or this is gift for your life as well. We're going to see. Yes, someone is proposing here to someone, if yet not done. Or maybe someone is accepting or thinking about the move in their life. Sorry, it's about some settling energies in the future, wedding, if you're not with it right now. It's also gift as blessing from your angels and guides. There is enemy. So you are not believing what is being given to you. Maybe you feel like there is something cheat or lie beneath what they are trying to give me. So enemy is someone who is crossing the street and you make the move. Someone might be spying on you, keeping an eye on you in real life, or maybe it's just that online possible, trying to figure out what is happening in your life. It's kind of like they're doing service for someone and they're figuring out what is happening in your life. But it's also someone who is trying to, oh my god, I'm hearing the word bug. Someone is trying to bug the gift that they're giving you, or someone you should not trust totally if this is happening in your life, okay? So someone is making a move here, I feel though. What's with this energy? Or someone does want something from you. And let's see on this King of Wands and Two of Cups. This King of Wands and Two of Cups energy is falseness. He might be from the past, she might be from the past. Someone who was not true to their feelings, not accepted, or someone who was playing the game of like, so nice, or it's just that they were not being truthful to their feelings. Falseness comes in different ways, okay? Even falseness comes when they are not being truthful to their own feelings, and someone who is with you but not playing the role properly, which is supposed to be done, and that's why you hardly trust this person, and that's why when they cross your path, you just change the way. Of course, you know this person, the House, like they've been connected with you, maybe they were with you, they were married with you, they were living in with you, a kind of energy. House. Or someone who's coming around, you don't trust them. Maybe they just want the greeting that you're looking at. You're looking at that how dare kind of energy. But with the Lord, like a Lord, I feel someone want that place, or maybe you're thinking that how come I trusted this energy, like given them that importance, made them that part of my life, gave them that right possible. How dare you, or how you befooled me, and you cannot do it. But I also feel this person is coming around, if they are coming around, and they are having regret, I feel, for what they did. Possible they want to fight, possible, it depends. This energy is something that does have that attitude and ego, but also they want to own something in your life, kind of. Now, how they want to own, because I feel that they have that regret, kind of, okay? Let me see. They have, you have something, I wanted to say. You have something that they don't, of course. And this is the scenario of life. What's all that about pillar and turn? What is about all that pillar and turn? Please give us the card. So this is all about pillar and turn, and I have this, what offer is coming in your future, and what you're going to think about it, because you have Four of Swords energy. No, I won't even look at that. So, okay, and this is the card. So what is all about that pillar and, okay, this is about the greatest move that you're going to do or make in your life. Ten of Pentacles. I feel this is the right decision, or whatever is going to happen. Maybe it's about on the next turn there's some big office there where your interview is there. Maybe it's through the street and the crowd, and you make the right move. And this Ten of Pentacles is about something that is going to be inflow. This is about your stability, okay? Calm zone. This may be your own home, you are entering there. This may be something new property you're buying. This may be something of a confession from someone. It's also basically your next move is going to be right, because you are coming out of Five of Pentacles. So you might feel this is like right for me, because you are changing some kind of norm, which is basically telling me the left is going to be right, or the right is going to be left. But whatever is going to be, it's going to be right for you. Hope it's not confusing you, because I know some messages are like that, they're encrypted, you need to figure that out, but I try my level best to cope with that. However, this Ten of Pentacles is such a thing that is coming in your life to have better choices, better decisions. This Ten of Pentacles is your stability, so your next move is going to be better for you. So if you are ignoring something for time being, or you're making some decision, it's going to be good. So what's going to be offering? Okay, there's an offer which is going to be stable, though like it's going to be actually constant, and it's going to be steady, which is very important even for your business move. There's a pickup energy I see. Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but I feel something that was left, possible it's going to pick up, or maybe you're picking yourself up, like picking up your life for the better move, which is coming like Ten of Pentacles. So whatever is going to happen is going to give you better results. Even if it is like something that was on hold, a proposal or something, it is coming. You're going to take some time, that's going to be sure of, which is going to make sense. Ace of Pentacles, big decision, okay? Maybe this is coming from King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I hope this is going to help you. I love you. See you soon. Bye.